Well, we have a breaking news update to a story that we first brought to you this weekend. One of 3 occupants of a house in central El Paso has died. El Paso police confirming this afternoon that a man in his 70s died as a result of carbon monoxide poisoning. Now, this happened Saturday at about 11 in the morning in central El Paso on Jimenez Drive. El Paso police and El Paso fire crews responded to a house in the 6,000 block of that street. 2 other people were also taken to the hospital with life-threatening injuries. Returning now to D.C. in the House.